Hi, I'm David Schneider, your trusted estate planning attorney. Thanks for tuning in to our Trusted Advisor series. Today we're speaking with Holly St. Germain of Trust Properties USA. Holly, I want to talk a little bit about the process. I have a family. They have a home that has to go through a probate proceeding. We're going to get authorization to sell it. And this is a home built in '68, never had any upgrades whatsoever, and Zillow is saying it's worth, I don't know, 800 grand. What I call you, what are we doing? Walk me through it.
It sounds like a perfect example of what we would succeed at. So at first steps is your introduction from you to your client, and I will then follow up with a phone call and an email, whichever is the best way to communicate with them. Schedule what we call an estate evaluation so I can visit the property in person, and I will bring our contractor with me to that appointment so we both walk the property and meet the seller of the estate. Sometimes there's multiples, but whoever can meet us, we welcome everybody. And we both, the contractor and I, walk that property. He takes his notes, so he'll be able to provide a bid on what the recommendations will be and the work involved to renovate the property. And then I do all of my notes so I can properly provide comparables and write up the analysis. So we leave, we both come together. We provide a written analysis called the estate evaluation, which is very detailed, very thorough. It's about 50 pages long.
Wow.
And we copy you on that as well, so everybody's aware of what's being shared. And if there's any questions, then anyone can reach the contractor or myself after that estate evaluation is given. I will go over that evaluation with the seller and with you if you want to be on that phone call with me. And we decide, what's the best steps. Should we do the as-is? Should we do the renovation? Based on them talking to whoever the family members are, making that decision on which route they want to go. If they choose the renovation route, then that process will take about 4 to 8 weeks to do that renovation, depending on the scope of work. And the home does need to be vacant for us to do that work. That way we can complete that on a timely manner. And once the work is done, we will list the property in the MLS, Multiple Listing Service, and do our open houses and get that out to the public and hopefully get some multiple offers on that property and sell that property at that time.
Now that analysis or this report, that's telling me what it will sell for based on comparables today versus what we hope it's going to sell for based on comparables after renovation?
That is correct. So our as-is is what's happening now in the current market conditions. What similar homes, some we will compare, especially the home that we're referring to hasn't been updated. So we want to make sure that we're looking at other homes that haven't been updated as well to make sure that our as-is sales price is correct and validated, because the Zillow sales price is taking into other considerations of standard market condition. So sometimes there's pluses and minuses on the property and the subject property that we're talking about. So
but just adding perhaps 6 weeks to this process might add some very significant value to the family.
That is correct. Our average gain for the family is anywhere between $50,000 to $300,000.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
that's a lot of dough.
It's a lot of money that people leave on the table. And we want to give that back.
And they need to be talking with their advisors about this.
Absolutely.
This is good information. We've been speaking with Holly St. Germain of Trust Properties USA. Holly, let everybody know how they can get a hold of you to get this important information.
Great. I could be reached at trustpropertiesusa.com.
And I'm David Schneider, your trusted estate planning attorney. Give me a call.